Did I scare you? No? Okay. Happy Halloween. Well, it's not Halloween yet, but it's October, spooky season. So because it is spooky season, I'm gonna show you how to make what you just saw. This is how you can turn your room into a horror scene. So enough yapping, let's just get straight into it. All right, so basically for this next shot, I need to get this light onto that ceiling right there. How am I gonna do that? I don't know. Oh! All right, so I just spent like the last hour just trying to get this lighting set up. This is what this shot is looking like. Now, although this shot looks pretty simple and straightforward, it actually took a decent amount of time. I didn't have anyone help me, so it was pretty hard to get the shot that I wanted. This is a perfect example because though the shot itself looks pretty straightforward, I mean, I'm just standing there awkwardly. I had no way of knowing if the lighting was good or if I was even in frame or if I was even in focus. So don't be discouraged if you can't seem to get the shot you're looking for because it's all just part of the process. So just keep trying and embrace the hard work. All right, so for this shot, I'm basically just gonna render out the first frame and put it into Photoshop. Then in Photoshop, the first thing I'm gonna do is cut out the head. So basically what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna layer a bunch of like old skin textures onto my face. That sounds crazy. And for the eyes, it's pretty much the same idea. I just got like this red, veiny, gross texture and pretty much painted that over my eyes. Again, the wording, what? And then I separated the lips and added its own texture to it. And finally, I used the liquefy tool to pretty much make my eyes look bigger just so there's a little bit more difference than the two different characters in the short. Now back in After Effects, we're gonna use the motion tracker to track the footage. And make sure the rotation and scale boxes are checked. Now that our footage is tracked, I'm gonna use the Photoshop layer and parent it to the null. Now we have our character transformation. And for the final step, I'm gonna finish it off with some color corrections and subtle camera effects. I also added a stock blood effect to the shot just to add a little bit more movement to the scene. And for the rest of the shots, I added a lot of stylistic color grading and just some random camera movements. For this little short, I went for more of a like stylistic look than an actual like realistic look, because I feel like as an artist you really got to try new things out. Actually, especially as an artist, like it's so important to try new things, and that's really the only way you're gonna learn. So like just learn. for the other shots, I'm pretty much gonna use the same exact steps. And that's how you can make a spooky scene just in your own bedroom. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, let me know any other tutorial suggestions, because I'll most likely do it. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.